Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here. Just got a short little video for you today. I've got a surprising number of people who have called up in the last couple of weeks saying that they're looking to connect current keepers to their decoders or whatever the case is, and they're consulting online AI programs to get the information. I'm here to say, please don't do that. First off, the AI programs are not privy to the internal wirings of our decoders. And since we have not published a lot of the information in certain cases, they don't necessarily have the correct information. And so as a result, a few of these people have actually blown up their decoders. And so I encourage you, please don't use AI to check out the information. We encourage you to please call us, get the correct information the first time from the people at SoundTraxx, the people who designed the decoder, so that way you can move on to a successful model railroading hobby. We're here to help you guys. Please don't be afraid to call us. We're here for you. Or email us if you must, but please don't check with AI to check out wiring diagrams and things like that. AI is good for some things, but not everything. So please give us a call. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.